Welcome, dear Goinkans, to the GK class. I hope you all are fine. In today's GK class, we will talk about folk dances of India. That's on page number 18. As you all know, India is a diverse country and it is a land of various rich cultures and traditions. Folk dances are traditional dances of specific regions or states of India. In this exercise, you have to look at the pictures and you have to identify the folk dance of each state. The name of the state is given and you have to identify its folk dance. So, let's get started. First one. The picture given here is from Assam and the folk dance is Bihu. So you all will write down Bihu in the space provided. It is related to Bihu festival and this Bihu folk dance is performed in group by young men and young women. Alright. Now second one is from Odisha and the folk dance is Gumura. So you all will write down Gumura in the space provided. G-H-U-M-U-R-A. Gumura. Alright, write down Gumura in the space provided. It is the best combination of classic and folk dance form. Next, we have Garba. You all know Garba is a folk dance from the state of Gujarat and it is performed during 9-day Hindu festival, that is Navratri. Now, Nava means 9 and Ratri means night. Alright. Next, we have Ghumar. G-H-O-O-M-A-R. Ghumar is a folk dance from the state of Rajasthan and it is performed by veiled women who wear flowing dresses, that is Gagra. Write down Ghumar in the space provided. Next, we have Lavani. Write down Lavani in the space provided. This is a folk dance from the state of Maharashtra. This form is a combination of dance and music. It's performed to the beats of Dolki. Write down Lavani in the space provided. Next, we have Bhangra. Write down Bhangra in the space provided. Bhangra. It is a folk dance from the state of Punjab, India and Sialkot, Punjab of Pakistan. This is the common dance form to the countries of Punjab and India and it is performed by men and women. Next we have Jhumar. Write down Jhumar in the space provided. Jhumar is a folk dance of Haryana and it takes its name from an ornament named Jhumar that's worn by young married women and the dance is also performed by young married women to the beat of Dolak and Thali. That's how it got its name, that is Jhumar. Now the last one is Kai Kotikali. Write down Kai Kotikali in the space provided. Kali, Kai Kotikali, and it is the folk dance from the state of Kerala and it is exclusively performed by women during the festival of Onam. Alright, Onam or Onam, and that was all about folk dances of India and you all will memorize the names of folk dances of each state that is given here. Alright, and you will complete the given exercise also. So this was all for today. I'll get back to you with another session. Till then, take care and stay safe.